it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. I just woke up from a really long nap. I have a tiny bit of energy and my throat is just moderately sore, and so I thought I'd do a quick video because the boxes are piling up. I wanted to show you a little bit of the progress on Willowing real quick, especially for my friend Tia. I did go back and I added a little bit of bling in her crown, and I added a little bit of bling in her eye. So go check out DP with Sparklers. They're having a current sale right now, but also watch your wallet because it is a bunny hole. You'll fall down. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this autumn fairy. Now, to the real reason why we are here, I love these teal bags. These are from Enablers Outpost, my amazing friends Edward and Elizabeth. These are some things that I ordered and I just wanted to show you. I did open this just to remind myself what I did order, and I wanted to explore it with you. This was back when Halloween was abreast. Okay, so their pens come wrapped in this and then put in here, and I'll show you the pen in just a minute, but I love this. I told Elizabeth, please, please, please make sure I have a Carolina little tag. I love that extra touch that they do. I've been collecting them. I now have 2. I'm hoping I have 3 because I have a second or third package here. But isn't that just adorable? Absolutely love it. And it's purple. And then inside she gives you this little goodie bag. So they have beautiful new cards. Thank you for supporting our small business, Enablers Outpost. Ooh, look at this sticker. It's a little puff sticker. This will be great. I can have that. And then some washi tape. And then I'm going to give these to my daughter. These are kind of cool. Little bracelets here. I'm going to stick those over there. And then their pens come with at least a single placer. And I love that they have the 4 placer thin. So what did I get? I got this. When I saw that they had these teal blanks, I just went crazy. And then they send these so you can put them in yourself. I'm not going to push that down because I'm actually going to put one of my everlasting tips on it. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? How beautiful is that? And it's just amazing. I love the different color combinations, and they know I like aqua and teal, and so she told me when I saw that blank, and I'm like, I need it. She's like, we thought of you. We thought you would want it. And so I bought it. And what I love is, I think this is a blank they actually purchased, but what I love about Enablers Outpost is they make their own blanks as well, and so you really get an original. All right, so this is empty. Let's open this one. See what's in here. My hair is just getting everywhere right now. Woo. So I told her when I was buying the pen that they were out of these particular cover minders, and I really wanted these cover minders. And she said, oh, well, I'm making some more. What colors do you want? And that's what I love about working with her is you, and small businesses, is you can just contact them and let them know. OMG. Seriously, Elizabeth? She found some Golden Girl cover writers. I did not even think about that. Oh my goodness. she bought them and the artwork was stolen. So she said keep them or give them away. So she can't sell them on her site. And that's what I love about her. She is on point, legit. So I did not purchase these, but oh my goodness, look at that. Ah, which I can't wait to show you what I got from my Secret Santa. So stick around because it has something to do with Golden Girls. Oh my goodness. I'm in love, Elizabeth. I will be keeping at least one and then maybe auctioning off another one for a fundraiser for a friend. Okay, so these are the cover minders. Look how cute are these little paws. Aren't they adorable? I told her I liked blue, and then there's teal. This one may be glow in the dark. I have to ask her, but it's got some glitz to it. I told her just make them in whatever she had left over. Here's some purple with some glitz. Woo! And these I wanted for my channel. I purchased them specifically so that I could give them, you know, do them for giveaways. How fun are these? There's a copper one. I believe, I don't even remember how many I bought. So here's some more purple. And they're hefty, they're good. She uses the great magnets on the back. There's a nice fun black one with some purple glitter. Oh, and this dark, ooh, this is like a dark cobalt blue. Look how pretty that is. Yes, definitely. So I will probably keep a couple of these because I love them. And then giving some away on my channel. So stay tuned, but also check out Enablers Outpost. Elizabeth and Edward are great. They're amazing. I love them. And they also have their own channel, which they crack me up. So check them out. Have fun. Stay tuned for future videos. I'm going to go rest. Until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.